strong.
Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to activate Windows 7 Photo Viewer in our Windows 10. First, open Chrome and click the link which is given in the description below. Now, download the file. After downloading the file, click on Open. Click on Run. And yes. Now we have activated the Windows 7 Photo Viewer in our Windows 10. Now we have to keep our Windows Photo Viewer as our default photos opening application. For that, follow my steps. Now you can see that the photo I have opened with Windows Photo Viewer. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.
Back.